Donald Trump suffered yet another major setback with his tariff policy this week when a federal judge told the administration, no, you can't do this with tariffs either. Here's what happened. The administration was attempting to appeal part of the Supreme Court's ruling, specifically the part of it that said, this is effective immediately. Right? You can't have these tariffs. They are gone as of this decision coming down. The administration had filed a motion in the lower court saying, hey, court, wow, just ending these immediately is going to be a hell of a thing. So give us 90 days. Let us leave them in place for 90 days as we figure out what's going on because we're all dumb and stupid and have no idea what we did. And the lower court this week came out and said, no, the Supreme Court said they're done, so they are in fact done. You're not going to get 90 days. You're not going to get 30. You're not going to get, a day and a half. You don't have till next weekend to get this done. Your tariffs are gone, buddy. The Federal Circuit Court of Appeals rejected the Trump administration bid to delay the effective date of the Supreme Court's tariff ruling by 90 days. The court granted the appellee's motion for immediate issuance of the mandates imposed by the Supreme Court. The mandates shall issue forthwith, the court said. I love legalese. It's so fun to read, but just kind of unnecessary, to be honest. I mean, you could use plain English, and I think it would be more beneficial for everyone. You don't have to use words like forthwith, hitherto the tariffs, yonder breaks the tariff date. I don't know. It's dumb. But this man just cannot catch a break, right? If he was any kind of a decent human being, you'd almost start to feel sorry for him every now and then. But of course, he is a giant orange piece of human garbage. So good. Here's the thing, and I mentioned this in one of the live streams earlier this week. It's that those tariffs that were struck down by the Supreme Court and the money that was paid to the government because of those tariffs, that goes away forever. And the distinction is that Trump has vowed, well, we'll use these methods. We'll put tariffs on using this power. Or if that one gets struck down, we'll use this one. But anytime the court strikes these down, because they are likely to strike down the other ones coming down the pipeline, those are gone. The administration legally is not allowed to keep that money. So even if Trump finds a legal way to put tariffs back in place, which he's not that bright, so I don't know that he will. Everything that's been paid forthwith must be repaid, which is why we are starting to see the lawsuits pop up. FedEx, of course, the first company to file an official lawsuit against the administration right after the Supreme Court's ruling. We now have Democrats in Congress working on legislation to guarantee that the money that was paid actually gets refunded to the citizens, not to the corporations who initially paid them, but then passed the prices on to us. So there is a lot happening right now with that initial round of tariffs. And the money is going to leave the federal government one way or another. That is a given. It cannot stay. Who gets it is going to be the big question. Thanks for watching, and if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do so, and do not forget to like and comment and share widely among your friends.